I need to clean inside the fridge. It hasn't been done since we bought it and moved in. And I've been waiting until we used up the groceries in there to make it easier, but I did have to order some groceries on Instacart yesterday, so I gotta get it cleaned out before the groceries arrive. So I've got that time pressure to help motivate me through this job that I do not enjoy. I hope you'll stick around and keep me company, and maybe I can keep you company while you watch this video. You can tackle a cleaning job that you also don't enjoy. Let's take a look inside. This is where leftovers go, and jars and stuff. And there's some leftover overflow down here. Meat, cheese, leftovers. This is the fruit drawer. Need some help. This is the vegetable drawer. It is not as bad, but still need some cleaning. And then we have the doors, which have, various drips and things. Stuff. Got a lot of condiments. So let's start by taking everything out. Actually, I forgot to show you the freezer. So there's ice and ice packs, and then various smaller items. Up here, fruit in some big bags and some meat. Frozen pizza. And vegetables in there. That's it. So hopefully it won't be too bad.
It's night in the city, and I'm on my way back home.
So the fridge beeps when you leave the door open for too long, and it is helpful. It's a nice reminder to make sure you get the doors all the way closed, because there's definitely times that we don't. However, I did not realize just how obnoxious it was going to be while trying to clean the fridge, and so I'm leaving the sound in here so that you have to suffer along with me, and we'll see just how many times we get it to beep in the course of cleaning.
Let's see where the sun might lead. Let's see where the sun might lead.
And that is the grocery order delivered. That was fast. I didn't expect them for another hour.
In between your sheets, breaking up in the best of ways, and I'm back again on the street. But then out of the blue, a wind starts blowing in ways so new, a world more exciting than mine. It's holding up a great big welcome inside. No life, it's for living. Let's see where the sun might lead. But then out of the blue, strolls down the boulevard. But your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see where the sun might lead. I said life is for living. Let's see where the sun might lead.
clean and shiny. Now let's restock and declutter. Now is a great time to clean out those moldy leftovers and very expired condiments. I don't know if this is just our family or any others, but we have 2 mustards in the fridge right now. And as I'm recording this, we actually have 2 ranch dressing bottles open. I'm pretty sure someone who shall not be named takes a very quick glance in the fridge, and if they don't immediately see it, then they go right to the pantry and open a second one. And that's how we keep getting doubles. Effort to have a Pinterest-worthy looking fridge, you may have fallen into the trap that I know I have before, which is to try to use a lot of organizing containers in the fridge. Some containers I have found are helpful, like the bins for meat, the bin for cheese, and the bin for bread, and the bin for leftovers. Those ones I'm definitely keeping in, and some of the others I am removing. Some I'll use in the freezer. And I guess now that I think of it, there's 2 small bins that I will use, one in the fruit drawer and one in the vegetable drawer. But I'm getting rid of the round spinny thing because it just isn't very functional in our fridge. So find what works for you, and feel free to try out non-traditional organizers in the fridge, like Tupperware containers or cake pans, and just get a feel for what actually works for you before you invest in actual organizing containers. There are 2 places in our kitchen besides the fridge where we store food. One is the white cabinet that you see here, and the second is this upper cabinet where we have breakfast and baking things. We're almost done, guys. We're just gonna put the finishing touches on this fridge by wiping down the front. This pretty much needs to be done every day, even though it is a stainless fridge that's supposed to be fingerprint resistant. It is not. So we do this often. And last but not least, we've got to cross off that we accomplished this task. If you're interested in downloading this free spring cleaning checklist, you can check out the link in the description down below, and feel free to check out my other cleaning videos for more cleaning motivation. And I'll see you next time.